Hello and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So today, if you've watched our other burger videos, we're making a pretty simple burger. Really, outside of the burger itself, we're going to have some Kewpie mayo, some Coleman's mustard, a piece of extra sharp cheese, and that's about it outside of the burger. But that doesn't mean that this burger won't also be delicious. So what we're going to do today is make some butter burgers. So the Chipotle is a magical food. They're made from jalapenos that have sit on the vine for the entire growing season and turned red. And then they take those beautiful jalapenos and they smoke them on open ovens. And that smoking can take up to 6 days. And then they take those beautiful smoked Chipotles and put them into adobo sauce. Absolutely out of this world. And that is what's in our compound butter, along with lime, cilantro, and some salt and pepper. So, first thing we got to do is to make our burger patties. So I'm making 4 burgers today. Doing 2 right now, 2 later because the director doesn't get home until later. And she will not tolerate cold food. So, what I have here is 2 pounds of single ground aged ground beef, part brisket, part chuck roast, and that incredible pellicile from the outside of the aged ribeye roast. So, got 2 pounds, gonna divide this into 8 balls of meat. Divide it in half first, go into quarters, and then take each one of these quarters and make it into 2 patties. So, as I said before, this is not a typical burger here at the Galley of the Sun. I absolutely love smash burgers, but we're not doing a smash burger today. Not cooking on the griddle either. Best way to do smash burgers is on the griddle. We're going to be doing it on our smoker under direct flame. And we're also doing a single patty. I love to do the double patties. Well, we're sort of doing a double patty today, but we're going to take those 2 patties, put the butter in the middle, mush them together. Okay, we survey our balls, make sure they're about the same size. Don't want different sized balls. That's just horrible. All right, looks like we're good to go. Now on to the next step. Okay, so we got our 8 balls of meat here. Gonna smash out one of them. There we go. See if we got room to do all 8 here. Get them in a pretty round shape here. Okay, wash our paws. Here we have our beautiful compound butter. Out of the wax paper. Get a nice little disc of this incredible compound butter into each one. Oh, before I think I neglected to mention there is garlic in the compound butter too. Of course. Got our butter there. Get our compound butter wrapped back up in some fresh wax paper. Nestled safely back in the fridge. Now we put our burgers together. This is where I want to use spatula. Move that back there and give us more room. Get this up from the cutting board, and then make sure we get them all pinched together and get that butter sealed in there all the way around. Sealed up. Those are the 2 we're going to cook later. Get that in the fridge. That right there is a ½ pound of happiness. Now we're going to get these in the fridge, get the smoker fired up to about 400 degrees, direct cooking. So I've taken the diffuser plate out so I have the direct flames under the burgers. I'm going to give it about 15-20 minutes until I make sure that the smoke is good smoke, not dirty black smoke, which will impart a bitter flavor onto our burgers. And then it's time to cook. Okay, last little prep. And we will put these together back inside. little bit cooler here in the Valley of the Sun than normal. It's only 107 out there. We'll get our brioche buns. We'll get our brioche buns buttered, so ready for toasting. Make sure we take our seasoning outside with us. Once again, what we use is equal parts salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Okay, here we are out at the smoker. Let's get things going. First, give it a good coating of oil so our burgers don't stick. Fantastic. Second, get some seasoning on them. Now, at the smash burgers, we only season one side. These thick 8-ounce monsters are getting seasoned on both sides. Got them seasoned good on that side, and that side is going to go down. So on to the smoker. And the second one. Now we'll hit the other side. So they've been on for about 3 minutes on direct flame, 400 degrees. Yeah, I'll give them another minute or so. They've been cooking for about 4 minutes on this side. Now time to flip them. Looking good. Got about 3 minutes left. Let's get a bun on and get it toasted. Time to come off. Buns look beautiful. Cheese is melted. Butter is not oozing. Now we go inside and build the burger. Okay, so we're in from the smoker. Now let's put this puppy together. So, got the bottom bun. Got the delicious Coleman's mustard. If you think all mustard is the same, oh, nay, nay, moose breath. This stuff is so good. You ought to give it a try. Amount of Coleman's on there. Now we're going to hit it with the Kewpie mayo. And if you haven't had Kewpie mayo before, I didn't take the label off just because it's not sponsored. This is the way it comes. It comes in a bag, and that has the label on it. Take that off, and you have the naked bottle. Now with our incredible, cheesy Chipotle-Lime Butter burger, now we put that top on there. Okay, let's take a look at the inside of this thing. Okay, before we give it a try, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Is there something that you would like to see us cook? Put it down in the comments. Is there a burger that you'd like us to try? Because we do love our burgers. Put it down in the comments too. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, you can see the butter in there. You can see the lime and the cilantro. Okay, let's give this a try. Simple can be delicious. Just some mustard, just some Kewpie mayo, toasted bun, extra sharp cheddar, and a delicious burger encapsulating some compound butter with chipotle, garlic, cilantro, and lime juice. Hey, thank you very much for watching Galley of the Sun. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.